Vidura College, Colombo, First Midterm Assessment 2021. Mathematics, Grade 2. Dear parents, please guide your child to face this assessment paper under the given guidelines. Let the child start the paper at a convenient time. Guide your child to write his or her name and the class on the space given in the test paper. Teacher will be reading the questions one by one. Ask your child to listen to the teacher very carefully and complete each question in the paper. Okay, children. Now let's start the paper. Now, first of all, write your name and the class on the paper. Write your name and the class on the paper. Your name should be clearly written. All right. Answer all the questions. Answer all the questions. Question number 1. Sort the following figures according to the size using the given two boxes and name them. Sort the following figures according to the size using the given two boxes and name them. All these figures, now you can start to sort. And don't forget to write their names according to the size. Perfect. Now, let's move into question number 2. Follow the instructions and color the pictures. Follow the instructions and color the pictures. You can use any color to color these pictures. So, part A. Color 9 flowers. Color 9 flowers. Now you can start coloring. Color 9 flowers. Now, let's go to part B. Color 3 balls. Color 3 balls. Color 3 balls. All right. Now, let's move into question number 3. Write the number name. Write the number name. Write the number name. A 5. 5. B 9. 9. C 3. 3. D 2. 2. E 8. 8. Hope you wrote answers to all the 5 numbers. Right. Now, let's go to question number 4. Complete the following patterns. Complete the following patterns. Now, children, let's start to complete the patterns given below. A. Now, complete the pattern A. Complete the pattern A. Okay. Now, complete the pattern B. Complete the pattern B. Then the last one, pattern C. Can you complete pattern C also? Pattern C. Complete that too. Perfect. Now let's go to question number 5. Add using the figures and find the answer. Add using the figures and find the answer. So, there are some figures. Now you can add them and write the answer in numbers in the box. Okay, shall we start to do part A? Now you can start to add part A and then write the answer. Add the part A question and write the answer in the box. Now, let's go to part B. Do the same in part B. Add the figures and find the answer. Write the answer in the box. Next, part C. Add the figures and write the answer in the box. Add the figures and write the answer in the box. Now, let's go to part D. Add the figures and write the answer in the box. Add the figures and write the answer in the box. Excellent. Now, let's move into question number 6. Now, let's do question number 6. Add the followings. Part 1. Show on the number line and find the answer. Show on the number line and find the answer. Now, children, you have to show on the number line and then find the answer and write the answer in the blank given. All right. 5 plus 2 equals blank. Now start showing it on the number line and then write the answer on the given blank. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Right. Now let's go to part B. 3 plus 2 equals blank. 3 plus 2 equals blank. Now you can do the same. Show on the number line and then write the answer on the blank. Right. Now let's do part C. Now we'll do part C. 7 plus 1 equals blank. 7 plus 1 equals blank. Now do the same to this question as well. Perfect. Now, let's move into question number 7. Question number 7. Add the following. Add the following. Part A. 5 plus 3. Write the answer in the box. 5 plus 3. Part B. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Part C. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. Part D. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Part E. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. Good. Now, let's go to question number 8. Question number 8. Solve the following problems. Solve the following problems. Now, let's start to solve the following problems. Part A. There are 3 apples and 4 oranges in a basket. How many fruits are there in the basket all together? Now, teacher is going to repeat the question again. There are 3 apples and 4 oranges in a basket. How many fruits are there in the basket all together? The first statement. Number of apples in the basket. Now you can write the number of apples in the basket. Number of apples in the basket. Next. Number of oranges in the basket. Number of oranges in the basket. Now you can write the number of oranges in the basket. Then the last one. Total number of fruits in the basket. Total number of fruits in the basket. Now find out the total number of fruits in the basket. All right. Now let's go to part B. Mary had 6 pencils and her mother gave her 2 more pencils. Now, how many pencils does Mary have altogether? Teacher is going to read the question again. Mary had 6 pencils and her mother gave her 2 more pencils. Now, how many pencils does Mary have altogether? The first statement. Number of pencils Mary had. Number of pencils Mary had. Now you can write the number of pencils Mary had. Next one. Number of pencils given by her mother. Number of pencils given by her mother. Now you can write the number of pencils given by her mother. Then the last one. Total number of pencils with Mary. Total number of pencils with Mary. Now you can find the total number of pencils with Mary. Dear children, teacher has finished reading all the questions in the paper. Hope you all could write the correct answers for all the questions. Now, check whether you have answered all the questions from the beginning. Now, you may hand over the paper to your parents after you finish. Have a good day.